Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to set up Manychat automation. So first, just simply go to Manychat and sign into your account. And after that, just simply go to the automation on the left side over here. So click on it. And now from here, guys, just simply make sure you are on My Automations over here on the left side and go for the right side over here, New Automation. And now from here, guys, you will have here multiple template that you can start with. Now, if you want to go start from scratch, you can just simply click on over here. And now, after that, in order for you to set up an automation, you can just simply click on new trigger over here. And after that, you will have here multiple options. So guys, from here, when user comment on your post, user send a message. So this will be depending on your preference. So let's say I'm gonna go for user send a message. So guys, from here you will have two options. You can either detect a specific words in a message or recognize intention of a message using AI. So guys, in my case, I will go for specific words. So I will add a keyword over here. So let's say I'm gonna add a text much over here. So if they ask how much, or I will add another keyword if they say price. So just provide a keyword that you prefer. And after that, just simply click on create over here on the bottom. And once you have done that, you can just simply click on send message over here. And here you can add an automation message. And after that, just simply provide a text over here. So let's say I'm gonna go for here is my prices, and from here you can provide your prices over here, or you will have an option to add a button over here, guys, which you can redirect them to another website, or you can have a call number over here. And let's say I'm gonna go for the button title as want to order, and after that you can go for the call number. And once you are done, you can just simply click on done. And from here, once you have provided all of the necessary information, you can just simply click on set live on the top right corner of the screen. And there you go. That is how to make an automation. It is a very simple one and you can do it as well. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.